to my channel, Tasha's Merch Review. I'm Tasha. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button below and hit that bell to be notified. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I will be reviewing a lifestyle brand called One Mission 365. They are the sister company of God is Dope. And if you have not seen my review of God is Dope, I'll put the link in the description below. So make sure you click on that and give me a thumbs up. What I picked up was 2 shirts and a hoodie. One shirt and one hoodie was actually part of a bundle pack that I paid $19.99 for, and then the other shirt was $7.99. I'm not going to show you the packaging because it came in the regular gray packaging. So I'm just going to show you exactly what I got. So the first one is the Too Close shirt, and this one was $7.99, and it says, if you can read this, you're too close. Okay, and on the back you have the Mission logo on the back. And I'm going to show you the inside. You have the tagless tee. I got it in an extra large. It has the website, how you maintain the shirt. Okay. There's nothing on the sleeves. All right, so I really like this one. I like this color. I like what it says, especially since we're in a pandemic and we're supposed to maintain our social distancing. So if they can read this, tell them to back up. They're too close. Okay, yeah, so this one was $7.99. Now the other two, like I said, was part of the bundle. I got the shirt and the hoodie, both together for $19.98. So the first shirt is the Not Here shirt, and it has athlete crossed out, rapper crossed out, and it says human with the One Mission logo in the middle. And it says, not here for your entertainment. Okay, so also the inside is the same as the Too Close shirt. Nothing on the sleeves. And nothing on the back. Okay, the next thing I received that was part of the bundle is a hoodie. And this is the logo hoodie. Black and white. And it has One Mission on it. Nothing on the back. And nothing on the sleeves. Now this here is a heavy hoodie. Let me show you the inside. Same thing. And as you see, I got all my merch in an extra large. So yeah, this hoodie is good quality. Like I said, heavy. You get the woven drawstrings. So you can wear this in the wintertime, like when it's like cold. Also, the shirts look true to size, stretchy material, and they are, let's see, 100% cotton. So you shouldn't have to worry about them shrinking when you wash them. I wanted to give y'all a look at the One Mission website. All their shirts are unisex, and let's go ahead to their catalog here. So these are the shirts, and as you see, originally they're $24.99 and now they're $9.99, and they go on sale. Like I said, I bought the Too Close for $7.99, and just not long ago they had shirts for $4.99. So you just have to keep checking back. Now here go the Not Here tee that I bought, and that's $9.99, but I got that in a bundle with the hoodie. So they have different shirts, inspirational shirts, I would say. Working on the weekend like usual. They have the 111 Mass logo tee, Make Moves, Keep Going, Support His Goals, Support Her Goals. Okay, let's see what size their shirts go up to. So they go up to a 2X. And let's see what size the hoodie goes up to. A 2X. Okay, so I will put the link to their website in the description below. If you made it this far in the video and have yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? I'll wait. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash that like button. Okay, so let's talk about shipping. Shipping from the time I ordered to the time it was actually delivered, it took about 10 days. Not bad, but I have had other merch come faster. Shipping was $8.95. My order came to $36.96. So not bad for what I got. I got 2 shirts and a nice thick hoodie for $36. Also, I like the mission. They're focused on making sure you complete your mission no matter how you get there. Everybody is on their grind 365 days, whether it's trying to graduate from college, trying to save up money, trying to start a business. So yeah, I would say definitely go support One Mission 365. So that's has been my review. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next merch review.